Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at 28 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in most recent 60-minute or so they in a real sense thought. ADA especially has a genuinely complete market cap of $9,622,959,619 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $211,736,015 in a by and large significant manner. This explicitly makes Cardano truly positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano really be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a genuinely large way? Is Cardano a truly wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Will ADA value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high in a quite huge manner? These in every way that really matters are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA value sort of is supposed to for the most part cross a by and large normal value level of 35 cents. The normal essentially least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to generally be 33 cents, which certainly is genuinely huge. Besides, ADA can truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of 38 cents, showing how ADA explicitly has a really complete market cap of $9,622,959,619 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $211,736,015 in an every practical sense, significant way. Cardano value expectation June 2023. The cost for Cardano in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 29 cents. Pretty further appearance how on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano especially be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they in a real sense thought. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 29 cents in a genuinely large manner. Cardano value conjecture July 2023 the in every practical sense. Normal cost of Cardano could go to 30 cents toward the finish of July 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. ADA could in every way that really matters be exchanging around in every practical sense, most extreme worth of 31 cents with the base expected cost of 28 cents in a quite large manner. Cardano value conjecture August 2023. The Cardano cost for August 2023 may generally arrive at an essentially least worth of 30 cents while the most extreme determined cost in every way that really matters is around 32 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The typical cost for ADA basically is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach 31 cents in August 2023, or so they generally thought. Cardano value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Cardano most certainly is supposed to really be at around a fundamentally least of 31 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Cardano cost can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of 34 cents with the sort of typical cost of 32 cents in USD. Cardano value conjecture October 2023. The kind of normal cost of Cardano could in every practical sense go to 32 cents toward the finish of October 2023, showing that Cardano value expectation 2023 is per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross in every practical sense. Normal value level of 35 cents, the normal all things considered. Least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be 33 cents. Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. ADA could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of 36 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 31 cents in a very significant manner. Cardano value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Cardano for the most part is certainly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an especially normal cost of 33 cents while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 37 cents and a kind of least of 32 cents, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Cardano value gauge December 2023. The Cardano cost for December 2023 may arrive at the very least worth of 33 cents while the really greatest estimated cost essentially is around 38 cents. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The by and large normal cost for ADA especially is fundamentally anticipated to in every practical sense reach 35 cents in December 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano genuinely passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been somewhat diminished by 2.07% in its ongoing worth, demonstrating the way that ADA could be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of 36 cents with the base expected cost of 31 cents in an essentially significant manner. Assuming we truly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday, you can really see that the market cap especially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano sort of is confronting and in every way that really matters. Tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins. By and large further appearance how ADA could be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of 36 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 31 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. The ADA truly is down to nearly 18.23% in the very most recent 7 days in a truly significant manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for kind of past lovely few days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't truly imagine that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which generally shows that Cardano value estimate October 2023 the exceptionally normal cost of Cardano could truly go to 32 cents toward the finish of October 2023, exhibiting that Cardano value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the ADA cost certainly is supposed to truly cross a sort of normal value level of 35 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to truly be 33 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA in a real sense diminished by 38.493%. Killing an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of 17 cents from its ongoing worth, showing that the typical cost for ADA generally is especially anticipated to sort of reach 35 cents in December 2023, which by and large is very huge. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be an essentially decent purchase, a potential open door for sort of fast venture, showing how sort of is Cardano a very wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely large manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 27.43%, and the cost commonly flowed from a very least especially normal cost of 37 cents to especially most extreme certainly normal cost of 39 cents in the beyond 90 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In most certainly most recent 4 months Cardano truly has shown a developing pattern, or so they thought. Consequently, we certainly feel that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking, as indicated by the in a real sense the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Cardano especially is expanded from 4 months, or so they fundamentally thought. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost in a by and large huge manner. The coin explicitly is up by 2.33% with the kind of greatest truly normal cost of the coin certainly was around 27 cents and the kind of least kind of normal cost of truly was around 26 cents in beyond 4 months, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. What will be Cardano essentially worth in 2023, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking? The ADA cost most certainly is estimated to really arrive at a greatest degree of 38 cents with least cost